大家好，我是麦克老师。今天是一节上课，我们要讨论的是 hope 比 wish， 到底什么时候可以用哪一个？Alright, so these two words, hope and wish, are two words that I often hear used incorrectly. So today we're going to have a quick lesson to learn how to use hope versus wish. Now both of these words are verbs, and they both use the same grammar structure. Subject, verb, object. With hope, however, we want to talk about things that are possible. I hope I pass the test. 意思就是很有可能我会及格考试。She hopes it won't rain tomorrow. 有可能明天的天气不会下雨。You can also use hope with a past tense verb phrase. He hopes he did well in the job interview. 他希望面试过得很顺利。Now for wish, we're talking about things that are unlikely or maybe impossible. And we most often use wish with a past tense verb phrase. I wish I had a new iPhone. 很有可能我就买不起了。Huh? Oh, sorry. You weren't supposed to see that. She wishes her boyfriend would buy her flowers. 他一直不买给她鲜花。We all wish the rain would stop. 应该不会停雨。Pretty easy, right? So where is the confusing part? The mistake I often hear is when we say, I wish you 什么什么什么。What it really means is, I want something for you. I wish you good luck. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a happy Chinese New Year holiday. So, just be careful when you use the words wish you together. So use hope for things that are possible and likely, and use wish for things that are unlikely, maybe impossible. Hope that helps you. If you have any other ideas for me to do a quick lesson on, leave a message below. 我是麦克老师，下次再见。